Hi. I'm currently doing some repotting, and I was going to go buy some more potting mix for me natives that I bought from Kings Park yesterday. I usually just go for the crap stuff because the natives froth on crap potting mix, but what I've done instead, actually potted most of those over there, and what I've been doing is just taking the crap potting mix from the ones that I've already killed and put them into one pot. This guy's really cool. He's a Stadialindium polviniflumi. Very weird name, these things. Like, seriously, I need to calm down. But yeah, this one is like a little ocean thing. Check him out. He's got a little flower cranking already, and he's just a moss kind of style plant, which is I thought was really cool. He caught my attention when I was there. I was like, I need that. That was the last one there, so scored on that. We're doing potting, right? I'm not very good at potting. I kill things, as you can see, by these empty pots. I've killed many pots, and so what's important is to read the instructions on the actual label. So this one says it goes deep with its roots, so it needs a deep pot. So this guy's pretty deep. So I'll chuck him in there. It's going to give me some flowers September and January. It actually says it on there, which is nice. Priority 3 conservation, which means it's actually quite a rare little plant and it's in danger. So we need to fix it. So what are you going to do? We're going to put it in pots and make it be around the place. It's 1.5 centimeters tall and masses white flowers, which is going to be cute. Most important part of all this is it says what soil type it needs. It needs this kind of soil, like a loose soil that doesn't get too wet, and it needs part shade to full sun. So that's the important part. So if I put this guy underneath the covers, like if I go in there and I chuck him in there and he sits in there, he'll die very quickly. Where if he's in part shade, like over there where there's a little bit of shade in the corner there, he's going to froth his socks off. Not that he has socks, not that I can see anyway. No, I do kill these things often. This is my technique of planting some pots, pot plants. So basically I usually put it in and I make sure that it's level with the top. So I don't want him under, because if he gets under then too much water gets in, he gets drowned. So he needs to come out a little bit. I'm actually quite scared to move this guy because his roots are very, very light. They don't break me apart when you're doing that. And then all you do is you add a little bit of soil. So it's going to go up there. I'm going to chuck him in there. I'm not going to move him again because his roots are really, really soft. So I'm going to chuck him there, and all I'm doing is getting the crappy potting mix from here. I think someone from Kings Park is probably going to scream at the soil type I'm using after hearing their guide talk about it yesterday and what you should be using, which is a good native potting mix, which this isn't. But we're going to just chuck this stuff in. There is a worm. What? How'd he get in there? I don't know. You tell me. This stuff's actually too wet, so we get some dry stuff. Get rid of all these worms. No, bloody saturating. And natives never like to be too wet. Even the little mossy ones like this one. Chuck it in. Move that shit out of there. Out. Such a weird little plant, this one. I've never had one like this. If you look really closely, it's got like little succulent-y kind of flower things happening. So it's actually the coolest thing. I don't want to kill it because it's a very cool plant. I hope it takes over this little pot. It's happy there. Get rid of the shizen. Move this guy because he'll outgrow him. Move all this crap. Hopefully Mr. Worm's happy in there as well. Give him some aeration. And push him down so his roots are actually touching the bottom, don't get air in between. And I'll give him the water in a second.